there she is. It is Mama Ilena. You know her from social media, and we are lucky enough to have her join us on CT Live. We are in the NBC Connecticut kitchen studio right now with Mama Ilena, and she is going to show us how to make her counter cake. You just saw it on her social media timelines. Now it's in the kitchen.
Yes, and it is delicious. And
Yeah.
especially when the kids want to make a cake, but you don't have any cake mix. Little hack.
You've got the answer.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Pancake mix.
That's all you need.
You make a cake with pancake mix.
Pancake mix. It's all the same thing at the end of the day.
It really
It's the base,
is.
right?
And we just add a couple of extra things in here, and it makes it glorious.
I love that. Okay, let's make it glorious. I'm excited about this. Also, I love the concept too, the counter cake. Can you tell me a little bit about that?
Yes, well, I call it counter cake because it's the kind of cake you leave on the counter all day long, and everyone just walks by with a fork and they just pick on it all day.
Grab a slice, grab a bite when you're walking by. That's honestly too relatable. Look how sweet
Look how
that is.
beautiful this
That's
is.
perfect. We got one slice here. And then what goes into this? You mentioned it's just pancake mix, right?
Right, but we use pancake mix, sugar, milk, butter, eggs, a little sour cream or ricotta or
Okay.
coat, and a little vanilla.
Kind of doctors it up a little bit, right?
Yep, and then when you decorate, you can use any kind of icing you want. And I've got sprinkles here, I've got toasted almonds, I've got crushed Oreos. Today we just use little pretty pink sprinkles because
love
they're
that.
so pretty.
Yeah, they're so cute. They're perfect. And you know what? The concept of the counter cake I think is always so interesting. A fork for you, my dear, and a fork for me.
you.
Because it is like a sense of community a little bit when you get your favorite cake that's on the counter. I'm taking a bite right now.
It's beautiful.
Just
it's
pancake mix.
fluffy.
Perfect. Cheers to that. Mm. Oh my gosh.
Mm-hmm.
Wow.
The world is yours when it comes to making a cake like this.
Yeah.
I mean, today I did little pretty pink sparkles because you're
What
sparkly.
was the backstory? Oh, I'm sparkly. I'll take that. I like to have sparkly energy. What was the backstory here? What did you come up with? What made you come up with
You know what?
this?
You look at the ingredients of pancake mix, and it's pretty much the same thing as cake mix,
Yeah.
minus a couple of the ingredients that I added to it.
Yeah.
And the kids wanted cake, and I really, honestly, I didn't feel like going to the store.
There.
So I grabbed the
relatable.
pancake mix, and yeah, we made a cake, and I've done it several times, and each time I tweak it a little more, and now I think it's perfect.
Yeah.
The way I make it.
And how long are we in the oven?
20 to 25 minutes on 350.
Okay, that's so easy. I can't believe it. You make it so easy.
It is. It's so easy. Anybody can make this.
Anybody can make this. Mama Ilena, you're making cooking so accessible for so many different people. What's that like? Your community is amazing.
I love my community. I mean, they are my whole world. And yeah, it's about simple cooking. You know, it's not about you know, going out and buying all the fancy ingredients. It's about using what we already have and transforming leftovers and no waste. And you know, it's a beautiful thing.
Yeah,
Yeah.
that's a great way to put it. Absolutely. Everybody's got some pancake mix in your cabinet. If you don't
Yes.
have cake batter mix, you got pancake mix, and we're making it right here. Mama Ilena and her counter cake. Thank you so much for joining us. You're always so fun.
Thank you. I love you.
Oh, I love you. All right, we'll be back with more CT Live in just a matter of 2 minutes. I'm going to finish up this cake.
Me
It's
too.
coming home with me on my counter.
Go right ahead. I can make another one.